that is a Camry. No, it's actually a remote. But it goes to a Camry. See? Now, we want to do the battery. Pull this down, pull this out. One-hander, can't really do it. There you go. This I can do with one hand. Check this out. You can open this guy up. There's your battery. Hidden behind this guy. Now you gotta be careful. This guy sort of comes out without breaking nothing. It goes out that way. So let me get this guy out. Let me see if I can do it on real time. No, I don't want to break anything. All right, these little guys. Hold this in. So these two are the heavier duty ones. Push in. All right, and you have to go under these guys. These guys sort of are the weaker ones, you see? So these are thicker, these are thinner. You gotta pull these guys up out of the way so you can pull this guy out. You see? Push this guy back as you pull out. Let's see. Yeah, definitely use two hands. You want to pull this guy back a bit as you're pulling this guy up. Same with this. Pull this guy back a bit. These are the weaker ones. Be careful, Wesley. There you go. So, put a new one in. Link is in the description. And we want to make sure this guy puppy goes back in. Line everything back up. And call it a day. That you can do with one hand. Put it back. Put it back. Snap it all together. So, like it, don't like it, share, don't share, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.